The government washes your produce before it reaches the store, but new data shows that 264 pesticides were still found on those samples. This video explores the limitations of water-only washing and introduces a more effective way to ensure your food is truly clean. Contamination isn't always visible to the naked eye. In 2026, the Environmental Working Group analyzed over 54,000 produce samples and found that 75% of non-organic fresh produce tested positive for pesticide residues, and 96% of the dirty dozen samples contained them. Rinsing produce with plain water dates back to when visible soil was the main concern. Today, water only removes about 25 to 30% of pesticide residues. It was never engineered to handle the modern chemical challenges present on our food. The shiny coating on your produce is often a hydrophobic wax applied to extend shelf life. Because water is a polar molecule, it physically cannot penetrate this barrier to wash away the pesticides and bacteria trapped underneath. Forever chemicals have reached the produce aisle. Nearly 90% of peaches and plums show traces of the PFAS fungicide deioxinyl. These chemicals are linked to serious health issues, including hormone disruption and immune damage, and they do not easily break down in the body. The stakes are particularly high for children, pregnant women, and the elderly. When you bring fresh produce home, you are the final checkpoint before that food reaches your table. It is crucial to have the right tools to protect your family. Meet Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash. It utilizes hypochlorous acid, a molecule your own immune system produces naturally. It is 100 times more effective than traditional bleach at eliminating pathogens, yet it leaves behind zero toxic residue, breaking down into nothing more than water and trace salt. The science behind the wash is clear. Unlike water, which is repelled by the hydrophobic wax on produce, Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash has a neutral charge, which allows it to pass through and weaken the lipid matrix, eliminating 99.99% of pathogens and significantly reducing pesticide residues. This is backed by documentation, not just marketing. With specific FDA notifications for direct produce contact and approval by the National Organic Program, Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash is a proven solution for cleaning your food effectively. Many health-conscious homes have already made the switch. Users report noticeable differences in the freshness and taste of their produce, providing peace of mind that their food is truly clean without requiring a major lifestyle overhaul. Beyond safety, Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash helps you save money. By destroying the bacteria that accelerate spoilage, it can extend the life of your produce by days, potentially saving the average household up to $1,500 in annual food waste. Recalls are reactive, and by the time a warning is issued, contaminated produce is likely already in your refrigerator. Don't wait for a warning. Take proactive steps to protect your household from biological and chemical risks. Upgrading your routine is simple. Just rinse your produce, apply Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash, wait 60 seconds, rinse again with clean water, and dry. It fits perfectly into the routine you already follow, but provides the protection you need. Danolyte Fruit Plus Veggie Wash represents the intersection of uncompromised safety, pure science, and financial value. It is the only logical upgrade for the modern kitchen, and for maximum potency, every batch is made fresh. The government washed it first, but now it is your turn to do it right. Visit our website today to get 10% off your first order with code DGNC10. Take control of your food safety now. Shop now at danolyteglobal.com.